is my DR650 that I've been working on. Got bags, the tusk rack, top rack, all the goodies except for the seat until now. Man, I swear I can hear angels singing. This is so exciting. It's upside down. Oh, okay. Oh, so much bubble wrap. But apparently they make each one of these custom when they're ordered. And that's awesome. Yeah. Man, it's such a difference. Alright, let's get some close-up here of the workmanship. This one has the semi-grip top, so you can see the texture on that, and the regular sides and back. Standard mounting tabs though. Boy, that's going to be a lot more comfortable than the plank. Alright, let's put it on. If you've ever wondered what you have to do to access just about anything on the DR650, this is how. On both side panels, there's a single screw, and there's a pin that catches the front of this, and the back of it hooks over a nub behind here. So, let's take it off. Just slide it forward, and off she comes. There's the hook for the back, and that is the part that the pin catches. Now what we've got to do is take off this bolt on both sides of the seat, and then we'll take the seat, lift it up slightly, and pull it back to unhook the front in two spots. 12mm bolt. Easy as that. Here we can see the bolt tabs and the two connection points that hold the seat in place. If you plan on changing any of the electrics on the bike, changing your air filter, the battery, doing any wiring or anything like that, once you've taken the seat off, everything is accessible. Here's the battery, the air box is right here. Here's most of your wiring, venting. There's usually an intake piece here. I removed mine just to get a little better airflow. These are all removable, these little zips. And if you need to run something under the gas tank, it's super easy to remove. Just these two bolts here. And then make sure to disconnect this, and on this side, there's a hidden one right here. And now, we're going to put on the new one. Just have to make sure to line up the tabs with the pieces on the bottom of the seat. And slide it on. Once everything gets lined up, the bolt holes will fall right in place. And there we go. Now we're just going to put back those two bolts, put the body panels back on, and we're all set. Brand new seat installed. Now all we got to do is put the body panels back on, and just make sure you don't miss the little pin in here that grabs the front of this. And that is how you swap out the seat on a DR650. Easy as pie. Man, that is no contest which one I would rather be sitting on.